Good morning, students. Now let us continue chapter 6. Today we will discuss about the similarity criterion. There are 4 types of similarity criterion: AAA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion, SSS similarity criterion, SAA similarity criterion. AAA similarity and AA similarity are same. If AAA similarity is we can use AAA similarity to prove any question, then we can use AA also. I will do only proof of 2 theorems, and the remaining last one you have to do by yourself. First theorem I am saying is, that is theorem 6.3. Theorem 6.3. The statement is, this theorems may come in the examination. Statement is, if in 2 triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the triangles are similar. That means, if you are given 2 triangles, if the corresponding angles of both the triangles are equal, then their respective sides will be in the same ratio, proportional. When 2 triangles are to be similar, the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are the same ratio. If 3 angles of the first triangle is respectively equal to the 3 angles of second triangle, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That is another condition of similarity. Hence, the triangles are similar. How we can prove this? Now let me draw the figure. See, you are given 2 similar triangles. Similar triangle means shape will be same but sides will be different, so that you have to draw 2 triangle different in size. अलग अलग size का बनाना है, same size का बनाएंगे, then the triangle becomes congruent. Let ABC and DEF be the 2 given triangles, and in which you are given that is given. What is you have to write? Given in triangles ABC, comma DEF, angle A is equal to angle D. Respective side लेना, angles लेना है. Angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Now to prove, you have to prove that triangle ABC is similar का symbol है U. This one is for similarity and this one is for congruence. Similar to triangle DEF. We can read this as triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Construction is, from DE cut off DP and from DF cut off DQ in such a way that AB is equal to DP. Same symbol se dikhate means both are equal, and AC is equal to DQ, and join PQ. On DQ, so on DE, cut off double F means अलग करना. DP is equal to AB, and on DF cut off DQ is equal to AC. Same symbol means both are equal, and join PQ. This one is your given and to proof. Due to the lack of space, I have to rub it. Meanwhile, now proof. In triangles ABC, triangle DEF, you are given that angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. That is equation number 1. Now, first of all, what we are going to prove? We are going to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Now, therefore, that in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, see carefully, AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. These 2 are by construction. This theorem's proof is not given proper in NCERT book. That is why you have to be very careful here. And angle A is equal to angle D, that is given. ये आपको दे रखा है. Implies triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS congruence condition. 2 sides and the included angle. That means, again I have to rub it to the lack of space. That implies angle B is equal to angle DPQ. See, B or DPQ, उसका ABC और DPQ here means B or P is corresponding angle, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Similarly, Q and C are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. DPQ and angle C is equal to angle DQP by CPCP. B DPQ, C DQP. But you are given that angle angle B is equal to angle E. This is equation number 1. And angle C is equal to angle F. This is equation number 2. 1 और 2 का कंपेयर कर लीजिए. B is coming common in LHS. These two angles are equal. And here C and C coming common. These two angles are equal. 1 and 2 gives angle DPQ is equal to angle E. That means these two angles are coming common, equal. Similarly, angle DQP is equal to angle F. That means if these two angles are equal, pair of corresponding angles are equal means the line is parallel. That implies PQ is parallel to EF by corresponding angles axioms. Corresponding angles axioms. Now, if corresponding angles axioms PQ is parallel to EF, if in a triangle, if one side is parallel to other side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides at distinct point, then you can use BPT. That is implies DP by PE is equal to DQ by QF by BPT. But you know that if this by this equal to this by this by total equal to this by total by corollary of BPT. That implies DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF by corollary of BPT. Corollary of मतलब BPT में से एक लिया गया BPT. That is DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. That implies DP can be replaced by AB. AB by DE is equal to DQ is replaced by AC by DF is equal to BC. One more condition you can use is DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. DQ by DF. Again, AB by DE is AC by DF. But you can also prove that similarly. इसी तरह आप लेते रहेंगे. You can also prove that similarly या similarly लिखिए. Similarly, you can prove that. So need of proving again AB by DE. AB by DE is equal to third side BC by EF. That implies in triangle ABC and DEF, AB by DE equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. That implies respective sides ratio are equal. That means sides are proportional. Hence the triangle are similar. That means in AAA, if all the three angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the three angles of the triangle, the respective sides are the same ratio and hence the triangle are similar. For that we have drawn two triangles, one small one and big one. The big one we have do construction. After that we prove the big one triangular part, the triangle and the above part is similar to congruent to the first triangle. After using this and BPT and corollary, we have proved the result. This is the what I can say AAA similarity. Now I am doing one more similarity, that is SSS similarity. SSS similarity. And one more is that is SAS, that is your homework. I am reading, if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are respectively proportional to sides of other triangle, then the respective angles of both the triangles are equal and hence the triangles are similar. ये जरूरी है, आपको साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल दे रखा है तो उसमें से ये निकालना है कि रेस्पेक्टिव एंगल्स भी इक्वल होता है, क्योंकि टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, रेस्पेक्टिव एंगल्स आर इक्वल एज वेल एज रेस्पेक्टिव साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल. Here you are given that respective sides are proportional, so you have to prove that respective angles are equal and hence the triangles are similar. Then I can't write the statement, I will just read it. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are respectively proportional, are the same respectively, sides of one triangle are proportional to the respective sides of the triangle, then the respective angles are equal and hence the word is important, triangles are similar. I will do the proof only, because if I write statement it will be so lengthy and the board is so the shortage of board I can't do. Now again, like in the previous one, ABC and DEF are two triangles. In this one, given what is given in the previous case, you are given all the angles are equal. Here what you are given? You are given that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. That you are given. To prove, you have to prove that A equal to D, respective angles, B equal to E, and C equal to F, and triangle ABC is similar to this similarity, symbol of similar, DEF. Construction, like in the previous question, on DE cut off DP is equal to AB and on DF cut off DQ is equal to AC. Approximation में दिखाना है. On DF, DE and DF cut off DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. Also join PQ. This much is the construction given and to prove part. Now proof. What you will do? How you can prove? First of all, you will prove that the triangles are congruent. After that, we will proceed. How we can prove these triangles are congruent? You are given that first one, AB by DE in triangles. कौन सा triangles है? In triangles ABC, DEF, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. This much you are given. Now you have to prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle what I can say, triangle DEF. You have to prove that. Now see the triangles ABC and DPQ. How we can prove that? In triangle ABC and DPQ, AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So that you can write AB by DP is equal to 1. That is AB by DP is equal to AC by DQ, or DP by AB. DP by AB is equal to DQ by AC. Now if this part DP by AB is equal to DQ by AC that you are given, that means how we can prove that these two are similar? That means after joining this, you are given that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to DE by DF, and we have proved that AB by DE और AB by DP. तो कंपेयरिंग these two, इन दोनों को देखिए, सिमिलरली इन दोनों को देखिए, AC by this is DF, that is once more I am writing AB by DE and AB by DP. That's AB by DE is equal to AB by कौन सा है? AB by DP. That means that is equal to DP by DE हो जाएगा. So that you can write this as, this implies that similarly that part also DP by DE. अभी मैंने कहा DP DE, यहाँ DQ DF. DP by DQ, DE is equal to DQ by DF. This one, this much you are given is equal to, one more condition is what? DP, once more DP by DE is equal to DQ by QF. ये आपके पास आया है. That is, this implies what? DP by DE equal to DQ by QF implies PQ parallel to EF by converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. This is equation number 1. Now what else you are given? But आपको क्या क्या दे रखा है? DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. Now that implies DP by DE is equal to DQ by, this is DF. And what is third side? Third side कौन सा है? Third side, दो साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होता है, थर्ड साइड अपने आप हो जाएगा, that is PQ by EF. This is the third condition. But PQ is same as what? BC. PQ is equal to BC. So that you can again change this as dP, that implies dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF is equal to BC by EF. This much you are given. dP by dE equal to dQ by dF is equal to BC by EF by replacing PQ equal to BC, because in these two triangles we have to do construction like this. That implies BC equal to PQ. Now once more, you are given dP by dE equal to dQ by dE equal to PQ by EF, but since these two triangles are by the condition we have constructed dP equal to AB and dQ equal to AC, you can write that AB by dP equal to AC by dQ equal to BC by QF. So by changing PQ by BC, you get BC by EF. That means in triangles ABC and triangles DEF, ट्रायंगल ABC और ट्रायंगल DEF में आपको इसके अलावा एक और कंडीशन आपको दे रखा है. व्हाट इज, सिंस दीज टू PQ इज पैरेलल टू BC, इसमें एक और कंडीशन आप लिख सकते हैं, एंगल P इक्वल टू एंगल E and angle Q is equal to angle F by corresponding angles XC. Now in triangle ABC and DEF, what are the conditions you are given? Triangle ABC and DEF, AB is equal to DP and AC equal to DQ, and one more condition, P equal to E you proved and Q equal to F you proved, so that you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ट्रायंगल ABC ट्रायंगल DEF का कॉन्ग्रुएंट हुआ है. कैसे हुआ है वापस देखिए, AB PQ का बराबर हो गया, AC इसका बराबर हो गया और ये इसकी साइड का बराबर हो गया. PQ को BC प्रूफ कर दिया आपने. AB PQ बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन, AC Q और DQ बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन, BC इक्वल टू PQ आपने अभी प्रूफ किया बिकॉज BC इक्वल टू PQ. दैट मीन्स बाय ट्रिपल S कॉन्ग्रुएंस. That implies angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. That means the respective angles are equal, hence the triangles are congruent. Once more I am doing. पहले आप दोनों ट्रायंगल बना लिए, कंस्ट्रक्शन ले लिया और गिवन कंडीशन के अनुसार आपके पास AB by DE इक्वल टू AC by DF इक्वल टू BC by EF, और बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन AB by DP इज इक्वल टू 1 हो जाता है, AC by PQ इक्वल टू 1 होता है. इट मीन्स AB by DP इक्वल टू AC by DQ इक्वल टू PQ by BC हो जाएगा. थर्ड साइड विल बी ऑल्सो प्रोपोर्शनल. Now by the given condition, this is the condition that we have proved, DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF equal to PQ by EF by the which condition, which because DP by DE equal to DQ by DF means PQ is parallel to one, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, but PQ equal to BC by the construction, that is DP by DE equal to DE equal to DQ by DF equal to BC by EF, because PQ equal to BC वो कंडीशन से मिल गया है. दैट इम्प्लाइज BC इक्वल टू PQ हो गया. दोनों ट्रायंगल में ट्रायंगल ABC और ट्रायंगल DPQ में ट्रिपल S से कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गया, तो उसकी रेस्पेक्टिव एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए. तो एंगल A इक्वल टू P आएगा, P इक्वल टू E हो जाएगा, एंगल C इक्वल टू Q हो जाएगा, F हो जाएगा, A इक्वल टू D. दिस इज द प्रूफ ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट एंड दिस इज नॉट क्लियरली रिटन इन NCERT book. Be careful about that. Third one is SAS that you will do by yourself. Now I am doing example 4, page number 135. I am reading the question. This question is simple but just for introduction. In figure, PQ is parallel to RS. Prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. You are given a figure like this. You are given a figure like this, and this is joint. This is again joint, that is P Q O R S, and you are given what you are given that PQ is parallel to SR. Now you have to prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Proof. Whenever most of the questions you can use double A. and try to do, if you are given any condition related to angle, it is easy to use AA similarity condition to prove this one. Otherwise you can use the given one. Since these lines are parallel, this angle and this angle is equal by alternating triangle, this is again equal by corresponding angle. That is, in triangle POQ and triangle SOR, see the order of the letter is very important. Here P के साथ S आना चाहिए, Q के साथ R आना चाहिए, तब alternating angle आएगा. Angle QPO is equal to angle OSR, pair of alternate interior angles. Pair of alternate interior angles. Again, angle POQ is equal to angle SOR, pair of vertically opposite angles. That implies triangle POQ, two angles equal हो गया. That means इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? Similar. That is, triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR by double A similarity. If double A can be used, you can use also triple A. This is the example 4 of page number 135. After that, let us go to exercise 6.3. First part, there are number of triangles you are given. You have to prove which one is similar. First one, you just go through the book. आप अपने पास बुक रखिए. ट्रायंगल ABC और ट्रायंगल PQR में A और P 60 दे रखा है, B और Q 80 दे रखा है, C और R 40 दे रखा है. That means respective angle देना है. that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR होगा. क्यों? एंगल A के साथ कितना आना चाहिए? एंगल P. ऑर्डर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंगल P इक्वल 60 है, एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q इक्वल टू 80 दे रखा है, तो रेस्पेक्टिव एंगल साथ में आना चाहिए. एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल R इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री. नाउ सेकेंड केस, AB 2, BC 2.5, AC 3, QR 4, RP 5 and QP 6. तो AB by QR आ रहा है 1/2, BC by PR आ रहा है 1/2, AC by PQ आ रहा है 1/2. तो नेमिंग क्या लेना है? ABC सिमिलर टू QRP. एक्सप्लेन बताती हूँ. AB by QR is 2/4, 1/2. That is SSR similarity is forming here. Second is BC by PR. BC by RP or PR. That is BC is 2.5/5. Again 1/2. Now last is AC. AC by PQ या QP. AC कितना है? 3. That is 3/6, 1/2. That is sides ratio are equal. Hence the triangles are similar. So that I again emphasizing you, taking the order of the letter is very important. अगर आपने यहाँ PQR लिख दिया, पूरा गलत हो जाएगा. रेस्पेक्टिव साइड का रेशियो इक्वल नहीं आएगा. Now let us do question number 2, exercise 6.3. I am reading the question. In figure 6.3, for triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, angle BOC is equal to 125, CDO equal to 70. Find DOC, DCO and OAB. Let me draw the figure. You are given two triangles, two lines and two angles, intersecting lines are given like A, B, C, D. Both are intersecting at the point O, that it be here. And angle O is given as 125 and this is given as 70. And triangle, what you are given? Triangle ODC, that is given. No need of finding or writing, given because you are asked to find only. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle ODC OBA. ये आपको दे रखा है. अब you can find DOC and this is forming a linear pair. Therefore DOC equal to 180 minus 125, that is 55 degree. Now which one is you are asked to find? Now you are asked to find, first one is COD. COD and DOC are equal. COD can be written as COD is DOC. Next one is you have to find DCO. This is 55 you got. For DCO, in triangle DCO, you can apply angle sum property. triangle DCO, angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 55. That is 180 minus 125 again 55 degree. That is DCO. Now which one is left? Angle OAB. OAB. DCO. लेटर देखिए DCO. DCO. आपको ट्रायंगल कौन कौन दे रखा? ODC एंड OBA. ODC एंड OBA दे रखा है. तो आपको एंगल पूछा गया आपसे ट्रायंगल OAB. ट्रायंगल OAB, sorry, angle OAB. Angle OAB is same as angle first letter, third letter, बीच का letter. Angle OCD. That means angle OAB. Sorry, कौन सा पूछा था? Angle OAB. 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 OAB is same as angle OCD. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD because corresponding parts of similar triangles. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Similar के लिए ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. That is OAB equal to OCD. Let me check once more. What is the answer coming? OAB equal to OCD is equal to OAB. Once more, OAB is equal to OCD is equal to 55 degree. That means this much is today's class. Today we have done the proof of triple A similarity, triple S similarity. You just go through it clearly and do the proof 2 to 3 times, and we have done 2 to 3 questions, and all the solved example you have to do by yourself. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles can be used for congruency, but for similarity you can use corresponding parts of similar triangle. See you again in the next class. Thank you.